So hi, I am Aparna Banerjee, and in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to cure your depression and what is the meaning of depression. I will try to cover it on the second time on the in the second video. So if you want to watch it, you can tell me. And yeah, of course, I made a second part of it. So if you want to watch this, you can go to my channel because I'm a new YouTuber. And I don't know how to give it in a link and description. So sorry for that. Okay. So first of all, if you are in depression, you must have observed something. You must have faced something in your daily life that you are in depression, and it creates a very useless environment around you. That it shows that you are really in depression, and it's like personalizes you, and it always makes you very uncomfortable. Not even it also make you very useless and nastier day every time you feel it. So it's all about the matter, and now let's close it. Just move on to the points. Okay, so the first point is counseling. Okay, so we all know that what is counseling, and I just want to say you it I just want to make it on the first point because it's very obvious to know for you. Okay, so it's the counseling. So you can take help of any psychologist near you, or you can go either to your friends, and the best friend of our life is our mom and dad. I can say that our parents are the most important diamond, you can say that. They are the diamond of our life. Okay, so you can take help of them because they can remove all the bad continuing phases which you are facing in this situation, or whatever will be the situation. So it is the first point. The second point, which is the important thing, it's called the meditation. So I think that meditation will cure your most of the thing, which it can release your depressive phase, and you will feel better. Okay, so the thing which you have to do is meditate. Like you can meditate like not even you can meditate just in a sitting position, and you start meditation. Like meditation can be done everywhere or wherever you can want to do. So you just have to meditate in front of whatever I do is that like what I do. So I take a mirror and I start to say whatever I have, or I just feel very comfortable after that. So you can meditate. And the third point is that is if you are not an atheist, you believe in God, then you can also talk to your God. Like it's not a madness, but like if you talk to yourself, it feels like you are mad. But if you talk to your God, it will shows you that okay, and it will release your depressive phase, and after that you will feel very comfortable after doing so. Like I personally do all this. I personally follow all these things. So if you want to do this, you just have to do this and nothing more than of this. You feel that your depression phase is gradually uh, out of your mind, and you feel it very comfortable nowadays. So you just have to do one thing: just sit in front of the God, which God you want, or which God you believe in, like Allah, God, or whatever, Shiv Bhagwan, जो भी मतलब whatever, I'm sorry. So you can take their name and say whatever you did, like you did any wrong or any mistake you have done in your past. It depends on you. So you just have to say everything to God. The fourth point is that which I mentioned earlier, I think so, in my second video, no, in my first video, I'm sorry. So it was about write about yourself. Actually, writing about yourself can leads to the generation of knowing yourself. So you can do this. I know, I remember that I used this point, the fifth point, I used it, that crafts and making videos. So, yeah, actually, I told there that crafts and videos are only meant for girls, but not, I'm sorry for that. Actually, it was not known to me because on that time I was doing so, but boys also can do this because because boys also feel this kind of phases in their life. So actually we all faces this kind of depressive phase. So yeah, you can make craft, you can make YouTube videos, you can make funny videos of you, so that you can get out of this situation. Like the sixth point which I want to cover is dance, singing and acting if you want to do. So basically you just have nothing to do, and dancing and singing in the ancient time they were seems to be like bad and worst things ever, but actually now in this modern situation it's like something glorious. It's something you can do, and we everyone do this, I think. So yeah, you can dance and you can sing because it release your uh, you know, I'll say the same thing, I'll say the same point, that it will release your depression. The important part which I used to forget, I think 5 6 7, yeah, the important part which I want to, which I have to, I think I should say this on the first point, no, first not second point, it is about daily exercise. Yeah, so exercising is important for everyone who are non-depressive, who are depressive. Like in this situation, in this coronavirus situation, we all are depressive. But yeah, if you're not depressed, if you are not taking any depression, so but still that's a good thing that you are not taking depression. But if you are taking depression, then you can do daily exercise, and daily exercise is helpful, is beneficial for everyone. So we all have to do this, okay? Daily exercise, regular exercise, like you won't believe, but actually I started my exercise from a month year ago, sorry, from actually not a month, it was year ago, and now I can see some changes. Like I do not able to do a hard exercise, but I just for 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's now about 1 hour, and I really get the change on my body. Okay, sometimes you can't do because of the pain, because of the lactic acid which you are producing, but still you, if you are able to do so, you can. The eight is that eating food, eating healthy vegetables, eating raw vegetables, like eating good and eating good vegetables and everything, fruits and everything. And hydration of your body is important, so you just have to drink water, as we all drink water, but in a very less amount. So try to drink water, and I will say that eating papayas, eating bananas, and every fruit which has fruit fructose and whatever, I don't know. So if you keep eating these things, it will help you. Now the main important part is that, which is the ninth point, and that is you have to accept it. Okay, so if you're dealing with such kind of situations, like you have to accept it, and you have to accept your past, and you have to move on. Like we cannot do what we did in our past, right? So we cannot change it because we don't have any time machine. So we can do one thing, we can forget it and we can accept it. So just accept your past. Just acceptance is a good way to release, to, I mean, to remove this bad situation. Like we are in depressive phase due to this corona pandemic, which is very I shouldn't laugh like this, but it is very useless uh, bacteria, no bacteria, useless virus, coronavirus. So we have to I know that we can deal from it, and yeah. So thank you. If you like my video, you just subscribe, and if you like this video, just please give it a like and just press the thumb. Okay, so bye.